हाय वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल अब्बास ऑफिशियली। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज इस वीडियो के अंदर आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने जा रहे हैं 7 टॉप वेज टू मेक मनी ऑन ट्विटर विद ईज एक्सपर्ट पिक। तो आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे 7 टॉप वेज जिनके ज़रिए से आप लोग ट्विटर के ऊपर अर्निंग कर सकते हैं। तो वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले अगर आप लोग हमारे चैनल पर फर्स्ट टाइम है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें, बेल नोटिफिकेशन को प्रेस कर दें। स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की इस वीडियो को। With millions of active users, Twitter is one of the biggest social media platforms out there and an amazing place for marketing. But there are tons of marketers already making money off Twitter, so it can be tough to stand out from the crowd. The good news, with the right strategy, you can boost your Twitter marketing and start making money in no time. And that's what we are here for. In this post, we are going to show you our secrets to help you make money on Twitter right away. Before we get to that, there are a couple of things you can check to make your Twitter marketing efforts more successful. Before you make money on Twitter, the first step to make money using Twitter is to make sure your Twitter account is ready for marketing. To prepare your Twitter account, you can just try the following. Step 1, create a professional Twitter profile. If you want to get started with making money on Twitter, having a professional Twitter profile can be a huge help. That's why you are putting your best foot forward with your marketing efforts. Plus, people will be much less likely to dismiss your content as spam if you have a proper Twitter profile. For a good example of a Twitter profile, you can take a look at this. As you can see, this Twitter profile has a lot of useful information and also shows where people can go if they are interested in this person's content. Plus, there is also a bit of personality here, so it feels like an actual person wrote it. Here are a few things you can take from this Twitter profile for your own. Profile picture that has your photo or brand's logo. Short bio, short bio that show your personality, and interest. Your name or brand's name on the Twitter handle, link to your website or blog, add and your location. Just add these to your Twitter profile and you can instantly make your account look more professional. After that, you can create a much better impression, so making money on Twitter will also be easier. Step to grow your Twitter following. Next, you can start growing your Twitter following so your tweets will be able to reach more people. If you can get lots of Twitter followers who are interested in your content, then making money will also be much easier. And to help you out, we have got this amazing tool that can easily boost your Twitter following. Custom Twitter Feeds Pro can help embed relevant content from Twitter on your site in just a few simple clicks. No coding needed. By showing Twitter feeds, you can get tons of likes, replies, and follows from the people visiting your website. On top of getting you more Twitter interactions and followers, you can also show engaging Twitter content to keep people interested in your website. And if you show Twitter review testimonials or product demonstrations, it can work as social proof and even convince visitors to buy from you. With custom Twitter feeds Pro, you can also pick from different Twitter feed types including hashtag feeds, mentions, feeds, search results, and much more. That's why you can show a variety of Twitter content on your website. Plus, the plugin is super lightweight, so your Twitter feeds and website will also load fast, and a faster website means much better SEO. The best part, you also get a team of WordPress experts who are always there to lend you a hand. All these useful features have helped custom Twitter feeds Pro get a rating of 4.9 out of 5 stars and over 1 lakh active users. 7 top ways. Number 1, post sponsored tweets. Number 2, use affiliate marketing. Number 3, promote your brand's products. Number 4, run viral giveaways. And number 5, grow your email list. Number 6, send Twitter traffic to your website. And number 7, monetize your Twitter content. तो ये 7 तरीके हैं जिनके ज़रिए से आप लोग ट्विटर से अर्निंग कर सकते हैं। तो उम्मीद करता हूँ वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। वीडियो पसंद आई तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, हमारे चैनल अब्बास ऑफिशियल को सब्सक्राइब करें। आप लोगों से मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर। हमें इजाज़त दीजिए, अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। टेक केयर।